Hey guys, Happy New Year! It's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 1969 Dodge Coronet RT. This comes from Mike in Santan, Arizona. And Mike has requested just the basic FM conversion wired to the original connector, so the power output remains the same as the original electronics, but he now has FM and an aux input. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate a few things.
6 p.m. at both casinos. Ladies are eligible to earn $10
AM.
in rewards and may enjoy delicious food specials and happy hour every Thursday.
Balance right.
And a great
Balance left.
Ladies, the
right.
rush is on at Buc-ee's
left.
and Yavapai Casinos on Thursday.
Alrighty.
Visit Bucky'sCasino.com for details. Must be 21 or older. Please play responsibly.
Okay.
Gambling problem?
Tone.
1-800 next step.
Q&A night beat. Tyler Gummersall performs at 7 this Saturday night at the Windstock Lounge on Iron Springs Road in Prescott. The Blues Jam is at 2 this Sunday afternoon.
Let's move over to FM, and we do that by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run down the dial.
Is not a name. It
Congresswoman Liz Cheney and Representative President Jimmy Carter will lie in state.
Planes del próximo año.
in he
Because of the word which I have few.
So you felt like dropping in. Turning to you.
I've been around.
7. The John
One, thank you.
National Insurance Crime.
You know, that kind of the movie. Only hate the road when you
The bitter defeat for a
my diapers.
Was that signal?
You must have said, grab your honey.
Okay. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Is it Neil Sedaka here?
You'll find that living's great. Hey there, open up your local, who's a cousin to her? Alice are plenty of fish in the deep end. She's gonna break down.
Yeah, there we go. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back, so everything's good. Let me make sure that the dial light comes on and off. You won't be able to see it, but I will. Alrighty, check it out here. Yeah, I can see it. Nice soft green glow there. Okay, so she's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And off that website, please download and print the work order before calling me to ask me about my options, prices, and turn times. That's all in the work order, and it keeps me off the phone and on the bench where the work actually gets done. So please observe that. When your radio's in my shop, you're not going to want me talking on the phone all day long. You're going to want me to work on your radio. So please observe that. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business from my own home state. He lives close enough to come and beat me up, and we'll see you guys next time.